Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good mushroom soup. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. For a truly flavorful soup, select about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, like cremini or shiitake. You'll also need aromatic vegetables such as 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Don't forget about 4 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. These components form the foundation of a delicious soup. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by slicing your 1 pound of mushrooms evenly, about 1/4 inch thick, to ensure they cook consistently. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. Sauté the mushrooms in batches if necessary, until they are deeply browned and have released their moisture. This crucial step creates a rich, savory base. Then, add your diced onion and minced garlic, cooking for about 5 minutes until fragrant and softened. Once your aromatics are fragrant, it's time to simmer. Deglaze the pot with about 1/4 cup of dry white wine or a bit more broth, scraping up any brown bits. Pour in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For a creamier texture, you can blend about 1/3 of the soup before returning it to the pot. Finally, let's add those finishing touches that elevate your soup. Remove the thyme sprigs. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream, warming it through without boiling. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfect. For a fresh burst of color and flavor, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or chives. Serve your warm, comforting mushroom soup immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.